Hey everyone, it's Rakib and welcome back to my video, another video. Today I got a delivery of Samsung S8 night black color. Let's open it. The delivery has been taken by Too Good website. Let's open it up. Is that the proper way to cut it? It will be cut the whole phone, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool boxes. It's Infernus phone. Okay, let's cut it up. Okay. This box is pretty awesome. It's red color. Here we go. It has a body of 148.9, cross 68.1 and 8 millimeter weight. Its weight is 155 gram. It's the same single SIM and nano SIM, hybrid dual SIM nano and dual standby SIM. This display size is 5.8 inch, 84.8 centimeter square, and Type Super AMOLED capacity touchscreen, 16 colors. Oh, it's pretty awesome, and
wow.
Oh no, it's super looking good. You start up. Looking good. Samsung. Is it working or we need to charge it? Where's the charger? Let me say the resolution about the display is 144.2960 pixels and Cornea Gorilla Glass 5. And this one is a charger. As I told you that it's a Reformist phone. I don't know where the colors come from. The way it's used, 3.0 Nougat, upgradable to Oreo 8.0. The chipset of is Exynos 88.95. 8890 octa 10mm EMEA Qualcomm MSM 8998 Snapdragon 835 10nm EOS in China processor. Okay.
That's not
Its memory is micro SD up to 512 GB and internally 64 GB and RAM is 4 GB.
Not such.
That one is gonna work very fast. This we're doing the configuration, basic configuration. The let's talk about the camera. The front is 12 megapixel, I think. Yeah. It has a LED, flash, auto HDR panorama mode, and video can be done to 160 frame per 30 frame per second and 1080 pixel with 60 fps and 720 pixel is 240 fps HDR dual video recording. And the selfie camera it will be 8 megapixel dual video call and auto HDR, and video quality will be 1440 pixel with 30 frame per second. Okay, this one is the display of it, and pretty glossy, pretty sexy. And let's check out the camera. Yeah, it's good. Can I do the zoom here? Okay. And this is front.
Let's finish that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, as you can see here, all the clothes are hanging over the wall. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I know it's Pretty awesome video. You will enjoy it.